you can style it in so many ways. People believe that 4x4 lace wig, you cannot style it the way you want, but I want to prove you wrong by styling this wig the way I want and the simple way you can style this hair. Oh, these wigs, they are everything for me. More richy, more beauty. Leave it all over again. Is it more richy or more moshi? I'll pronounce Morichy or Morichy or Moshi. Morichy. Correct me on the comment section how to pronounce this. Morichy or Morish. Okay, so guys, welcome back. All right, so today I will be styling this 4x4 wig from Morichy with you guys today. So I did a previous video about this hair. All I did in that video was just the unboxing of the hair and the installation, and I did not do any other thing. I just installed it. The installation I did is just like this, very simple. All right, if you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it here so that you can check it out, and I'm going to leave the details about this wig on the description box. The wig is so silky, tangle free. All right, there was nothing like smell to this hair. So without further ado, let's head into this hair tutorial. I want to just style it with you guys. The wig is 4x4, so I will slay my baby hairs. I'll first of all brush the hair backward. You can see, it's 4x4. Like I said, the wig is just up to this place, and you can see the whole of this place is open. So I'm going to pack this. So I want to kind of change the party. I don't know if I should change it from center part or I should still do center part. Let me leave it on center, but I'll try to slay my baby hairs. Okay, or should I do side part, lower side part? I don't know if I should do lower side part because the wig, the lace is up to this place here. Here. Now let me shift it. Feel like falling deeper, cold nights not 너무 shit. So I'm just going to shift the party down, down, downward. 내 사랑이시고 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보가. Because I don't want to create another part. I like this part, so I'm just going to shift it downward like this. Bring the hair. Then I'm going to slay baby hairs. I'm going to take mousse and take the hair backward like this. Oh yeah. Baby, can't you come with me? Now take styling gel. I'm just going to bring little hair out. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려 애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔 불그스름한 노을의 때깔 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 것. Oh yeah. Baby, can't you come
been choosing you with me in this song. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어 사랑이라는 것. Oh yeah. Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my...
So I tied it down. I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes before losing it.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Oh, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way, yeah. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up.
So gorgeous, that is it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. So I'm going to leave the details about this unit on the description box. So if you like it, check that out. And also, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. If you like this hair review, the way I style this hair, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
You can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.